Okay, we're still out at Three Palms. This is January 6, 2019, and I say they're doing organized practice here on the Supercross track. There we go. We got a few more riders here. Those are my two up front. That's Kai and Nora. Y'all wave, say hi everybody. They're waiting on bigger bikes to get off the track so they can let the mini bikes on. Y'all move aside. Move aside. Move aside. Move aside. Move aside. Let them through. Let them through. Move aside. Come on. Come on. Over here. Come on. Look, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up. Let go of it. Let go. I got it. Go back. Go back. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Go ahead. Get on. She was in the way some while they were trying to get off the track. I say it's hard to record on this track. There's my two. I only have two out there. My youngest is on the Pee Wee track. Over there in the distance, you can see them. Where are they? There they go. They're together for a few minutes. Got both of them together. That's Kai in the front on the green, and that's Aura in the back, of course, on the pink. That's sand. It's too much sand. It's really hard to go fast. So much sand.
Did stop. You let us go. Yeah, I pulled over. You let us go. I can't believe he drew down on it. We were riding at night. It was me and Rob, and we were like off of, I think it was 1458, and the truck like 90 in a corner. And we come around, and as soon as we come around, he's just sitting there with the fucking lights off.
I'm gonna get something for you real quick. Catch this guy. I recorded y'all. Look at this guy here. Oh, look at it. That's an 85. Look at him rip. Look at him rip. Oh, he cleared it. Oh, he almost cleared that one. Dara looked like she got trouble over there. That's her stuck way over there. That's her. You can see her in the distance. Her brother's over there to help her out. Let's see if he can help get her bike going. Look at this kid. Of course, he's older than you, Kai. Listen at him rip that thing. Yeah, he's a little older than you, Kai. Man, listen to him rip. They still haven't got that thing from. I better go see. I'm gonna stop recording there.